Walking on air, unveiling the joy in English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as uplifting as it sounds: I'm walking on air. This idiom is a beautiful expression of joy and elation, and we're here to uncover all its nuances to help you not only understand it but also use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. When someone says they're walking on air, they're not talking about defying gravity or performing a magical act. This phrase is a vivid idiom used to describe a feeling of extreme happiness or euphoria. It's as if the person is so happy that they feel lighter than air, almost floating. This expression is often used in situations where someone has received great news, achieved something significant, or is simply overjoyed by a positive experience. The phrase, walking on air, has a poetic quality, suggesting it might have literary origins. While its exact origins are somewhat murky, it's clear that this idiom has been used for centuries to convey a sense of joy and light-heartedness. It reflects the human desire to express happiness in a way that transcends ordinary language, elevating the experience of joy to something almost supernatural. Incorporating idioms like walking on air into your speech can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. After hearing the news of her promotion, she was walking on air. He's been walking on air ever since he found out he's going to be a father. Winning the championship made the whole team feel like they were walking on air. Notice how this idiom can apply to personal achievements, life-changing events, or collective successes, making it a versatile expression for various contexts. English is rich with idioms that express happiness. Here are a few similar expressions. Over the moon, extremely happy or pleased. On cloud nine, feeling great happiness or euphoria. In seventh heaven, in a state of bliss or extreme contentment. These phrases, like walking on air, allow speakers to convey their joy in imaginative and vivid ways, enriching the language with emotional depth and color. We hope this exploration of the phrase, I'm walking on air, has lifted your spirits and enriched your understanding of English idioms. Idioms like these add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to express our emotions in creative and nuanced ways. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing our human experiences beautifully and effectively. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay joyful, and maybe you'll find yourself walking on air today.